welcome back to the channel. It is Jackie, and today I am back with another video for you guys. It will be slightly different. As you already know, the channel is called Everything Jackie, so we're diving in a little bit here and there. We've been camel riding, we've been on jet skis, fishing, and today I'm bringing you in the kitchen. So if you already watched the video of the fishing that we did, you already know. This is the grouper that we caught. If you haven't, be sure to click down below, scroll down, and you will see the fishing video. Check it out before you watch this. So I have this beautiful grouper right here, and I'm gonna be doing a very simple recipe. I am not an expert in the kitchen, so if I mess up, it is what it is. So we had this amazing company, and they packaged and sealed everything and they froze it, so we were able to bring back all of the fish. Nothing went to waste. Okay guys, so here is the grouper. Beautiful fish. The captain filleted it very beautifully, and I'm just gonna baste it with a very simple ingredients. I have some olive oil, some honey right here, and I'm just gonna give it a little baste here. Very, very simple, very, very easy. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it. Here we go. I had so much fun fishing, and I'm super excited to actually eat the fish that I caught. It was a lot of fun, an amazing experience, and I would definitely go back and do it again. So that was it, pretty much it. And then I'm only going to add some seasoning, this Kinder sauce. It's just cracked pepper and herbs. Nothing fancy, just what I found here. So we're just gonna add a little bit here. And that is pretty much it. This is an amazing fish, so it really doesn't need much. It is full of flavor the way it is, so it is perfect. And then I already chopped up some mushrooms, and I have some asparagus. And yeah, let's head on over to the stove, guys. Alrighty, so we already have the stove going. We have olive oil, and that's pretty much it. I set it up at a medium heat, and we're gonna put in the grouper, and then we're gonna put in our mushrooms. So we're gonna put this one in first. There we go. I can't wait to taste this. And then we're gonna put in our mushrooms. And we're gonna add a little bit of the same seasoning that I used for the grouper. Nothing fancy, very simple, easy to do. Just a little sprinkle. Here we have the grouper, beautiful fish, nice and sizzling. We're gonna give that a few minutes, and I can't wait to taste this. We're gonna give it 3 minutes each side, and then we will take it out of the pan. And here we have our mushrooms, and then once these are done, we will put in our asparagus. So our mushrooms are ready. So we're gonna put them here in this little serving bowl so we can put in our asparagus. This is gonna be so delicious. Our fish is sizzling so beautifully and it's getting almost ready to come out pretty soon. So I better hurry with this. I think I would recommend getting one of your veggies started before the fish, and then you would put in the fish. But we're just going with it. Put in our asparagus. And we're gonna give it a little seasoning. Ooh. Same. Just a little bit. A little bit of olive oil. Just a tiny bit, because there's olive oil in there already. Alrighty guys, we are almost ready to eat. This is ready, and we're just gonna plate it, and then we're gonna finally get to enjoy this. Our grouper is nice and crispy, and it looks beautiful on both sides. So I'm going to plate this beautiful piece of fish here. It is perfect. I'm going to do a little bit of asparagus and the mushrooms. There we have it. So finally everything is ready and I finally get to taste this fish. I am so excited to taste it. We caught it, we cooked it, and now it's time to eat, guys. So here we have it. We have the beautiful grouper with some yummy and delicious mushrooms and asparagus. Let me tell you, my mouth is getting watery. Let's give this a taste. I don't even know why I picked up this knife because this just fell apart. It's so buttery, flaky. It's delicious. Let's give these mushrooms a try. I'm not saying this because I cooked this, but wow, this is so tasty. Perfect. It was awesome going out fishing, bringing it back home, finally cooking it, and now eating it. I think I'm kind of at loss for words right now. I really want to go enjoy this fish, but I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the content that I have bringing here to the channel. I can't wait to see you guys again and see what else I bring here. Alrighty guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!